Hi, this is Abby. I'm going to make a video to show you how you can make custom widgets. You can add widgets by going to widgets under appearance, but we're going to go to customize in this example. In the customize section, you can pick widgets here, and then for the sidebar widgets, click on sidebar, and the one on the top is the one that I want to show you. I can zoom in so you can see the code that I'm using. In this simple little section, I have a div, the ID section 1. I have the heading to check out these free tools. I have a little paragraph and the paragraph tags. I have a button, and between these quotation marks, that's where I would put the address or the URL for where you want them to go when they click the button. We're going to add a little border to this, and we can style it however we want to. We can change the color of the text and color of the button and all that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So when we have the code in there, we're going to hit publish, and I'm going to scroll down. See where it says done? Click done. Okay, that closes that. Now what we're going to do is we are going to go into CSS, go back into the customizations. So you can go to additional CSS or simple custom CSS, whichever one works for you. I'm using simple custom CSS. This is a plugin. To save some time, I added some CSS in here. So this is the section, ID section 1, and I put a border on it. So ID section 1, border 4 pixels dashed, color red. For the button, I gave it a background red. For the link, I gave it color white. So to give it some space inside of it, we're going to give it some padding. So we're going to go back up to the first part here, and padding. As you can see, with just some padding, it gives it some space inside of it. I can move it up with margin. So you want to meet it to be exactly where top of this is. You just add some margin, -8 pixels. These things are not limited to just get your tools or whatever. You can design it however you want. If you want to make a download button here, you can do that. So just get your whatever today, and then say a little bit about it, and then put download on the button, and then when they click on the button, they get the download, instant download type of thing. There's a lot of different things that you can use this for. You can say check out the deal of the day, and then you can put your affiliate link inside the button, so that when they read the little thing, then they're like, okay, I'm gonna check it out, and then it goes to your affiliate page or whatever. So you can do it like that. Also, if you have coupons or whatever for your products, you can say check out whatever this product with this coupon code, and they used to put the code in when they purchase it to get 50% off or 20% off or whatever discount you're going to give for that. There's a variety of ways that you can do this. So there's lots of things you can do with this type of thing, and just wanted to show you what you can do and give you some ideas. If you like the video, leave me a comment and hit the like button. Thank you for watching and have a great one. Also, don't forget to hit publish when you do all your CSS.